Example number 1 for algebraic limits rationalization method. Problem, limits of the quantity of square root of 1 plus x minus 1 over x. So let's rewrite the problem. Limits of square root of 1 plus x minus 1 over x as x approaches 0. So ginagamit natin ang rationalization method, especially kapag meron tayong radical sign sa ating problem. So, ang i-rationalize natin ay yung numerator. Limits of, this is square root of 1 plus x minus 1 over x. And i-multiply natin sa positive na part na ito. This is 1 square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Ito. Positive ang lalagay natin dito para pag pinag-multiply natin, meron tayong makakancel. Over. Same din nilalagay natin dito. Kung ano yung i-multiply natin sa numerator, ganun din ang i-multiply natin sa denominator. 1 plus x plus 1 din. And we multiply as x approaches 0. Square root of 1 plus x, ito, i-multiply natin sa square root of 1 plus x. And ang matitira dyan, considering this is x times square root of x times square root of x, x na lang yan. Matatanggal natin itong radical niya. So this is 1 plus x na lang plus square root of 1 plus x times positive 1. Positive square root of 1 plus x ang sagot. Ito yun. Yung dalawa na to. Next, square root of 1 plus x. Ito naman, i-multiply naman natin dito sa negative 1. So this is negative square root of 1 plus x. And meron pa tayong isang kailangan multiply, itong negative 1 times positive 1. And this is negative 1. Over x times this quantity, simply x times square root of 1 plus x plus 1. We combine like terms, this is cancel. Matitira sa atin, we have limits, lagay natin. And this is eto, tatanggalin na natin yung grouping symbols niya. Since positive na naman nito, this is 1 plus x minus 1 over yung denominator na x times square root of 1 plus x plus 1 as x approaches 0. So, we combine like terms ulit. Itong 1 natin, 1 minus 1, cancel. Yung x natin na to, pwede rin natin i-cancel. 1 lang yan, cancel. Ang matitira sa atin ay limits of 1 ang ititira natin sa taas, over square root of 1 plus x plus 1 as x approaches 0. So let's substitute the value na 0. This is 1 over square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. So wala na yan. This is 1 over square root of 1 is 1 lang din plus 1. And the final value for example number 1 is 1 over 2. Example number 2. Limits of 4 minus square root of 2 plus x over 2 minus square root of 2 minus x as x approaches 0. So let's rewrite the problem. 4 minus square root of 2 plus x over 2 minus square root of 2 minus x as x approaches 0. Sa problem na ito, hindi na natin kailangan gamitan ito ng rationalization method, though meron tayong radical dito kasi kapag ni-rationalize natin yung numerator na ito, magkakaproblema tayo sa denominator. And kapag ni-rationalize naman natin yung ating denominator, magiging complicated naman yung ating numerator. So, as is na ito, pwede na agad natin i-substitute yung ating value. This is 4 minus square root of 2 plus 0 over 2 minus square root of 2 minus 0. This is 4 minus square root of 2 over 2 minus square root of 2. And this is our final answer na agad for example number 2. Example number 3, limits of square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x over 2x as x approaches 0. So let's rewrite first the problem. Limits of square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x over 2x as x approaches 0. Ang i-rationalize natin dito is of course yung ating numerator. Limit of square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x over 2x as x approaches 0. Okay? So, lalagay natin dito is square root of 1 plus x, same terms din, kaya lang positive nang ilalagay natin dito. Is square root of 1 minus x over same terms 1 plus x square root plus square root of 1 minus x, and we multiply limits as x approaches 0. Lagay na natin agad. First, ito munang part na ito. Square root of 1 plus x times square root of 1 plus x, parang positive. So, this is 1 plus x na lang. Na-cancel na yung kanyang radical sign. Next, ito, negative square root of 1 minus x times positive square root of 1 plus x. This is negative. Square root of 1 minus x times positive 1 plus x. And next, may dalawa pa tayo. Square root of 1 plus x, ito yon, times positive square root of 1 minus x. So, this is positive 1 plus x square root times square root of 1 minus x. And lastly, para sa numerator natin, we have negative, itong part na to, negative square root of 1 minus x times positive square root of 1 minus x. So, ang sagot doon is negative 1 minus x na lang. Over, this is 2x, multiply dito, siya na yan, square root of 1 plus x, plus square root of 1 minus x. So, we combine like terms, ito, cancel na, dahil same terms but different signs, isang positive at isang negative. So, this is limits as x approaches 0, lagay na agad natin. Since this is positive, lagay na lang natin dito, pwede na natin agad directly tanggalin yung kanyang grouping symbols, 1 plus x na ito. Dito naman, this is negative, negative times 1 is negative 1, negative times negative x is positive x over 2x times square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. So, simplify man natin yan. Cancel ito, cancel. Ang magtitira dito is 2x na. Ito yung ating numerator. And baka cancel na yung 2x natin. Cancel na ito, cancel na ito. Simplify na natin siya. Substitute na lang natin ngayon yung value ng limit natin na 0. Lagyan na natin dito. This is 1 na lang yung taas. Over square root of 1 plus 0. Value ng limit. Plus square root of 1 minus 0. So this is 1 over, wala na to, and square root of 1 is 1. Plus, cancel na rin to, and square root of 1 is 1. Therefore, the final answer for example number 3 is 1 over 2.